In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Alibaba, or how you can buy from Alibaba for personal use. Now, a lot of people, they don't want to buy large quantities on Alibaba. They only want to buy, for example, one product or two products. Then if that's what you want, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. But first, you need to create an account on Alibaba. That's the first thing, if you haven't done that already. And here you want to search for the items that you want to buy. You just need to search. For example, if you are searching, for example, for iPhone, just search for it. And then the first thing you need to do, guys, to buy for personal use is you need to click on these features. As you can see, it says here product features. You need to check this. You need to check ready to ship. As you can see, check it. And after you check, guys, ready to ship, then Alibaba will show you items that are ready to ship, so you don't have to wait for like the company to produce or to make these products. They are already in stock. And the second thing you need to do, guys, is you want here where it says minimum order, you need to, for example, if you only want to buy one product, you want to enter here one product and then click OK. So Alibaba now will show you one product, so that you can buy one product and it will be delivered to you, guys. Click on one of these and that's it. And here you want to click on start order. So after, guys, you click on start order, you just need to enter your information just like you do on Amazon or eBay. It's not complicated, and just keep in mind Alibaba is very safe, so there is nothing to worry about. If you don't receive your item, you will receive, guys, your refund. So you just need to enter here your address. So as you can see, this is my address. It's like United States, Los Angeles, California. You just need to scroll down, and here you want to enter your credit card. Keep in mind that a lot of sellers or a lot of suppliers on Alibaba, they don't support PayPal, but it's safe. Like I said, you just need to pay using your credit card or debit card. There is nothing to worry about on Alibaba. It's very safe. It's the biggest e-commerce website in the world. So after, guys, you enter your credit card, you need to click on pay now. As you can see, after, guys, you click on pay now, after like 2 days or 1 day, you will receive an email like with a tracking number, and then you can start tracking your order on websites like 17 track. You just need to search for 17 track on Google, as you can see, and you want to enter the tracking number here. It's something like this. As you can see, you just need to enter it, and then you can start seeing where your item is until it arrives in your country. Now, yeah, that's it. It's very easy, guys. You just need to enter the correct address. So I hope this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.